Are you struggling with a low credit score? Finding it hard to get approved for loans, credit cards, or even an apartment? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 7 powerful hacks to boost your credit score fast, and some of them can work almost overnight. So stick around because tip number 6 is a game changer most people don't know about. 1. Pay your bills on time. The biggest factor in your credit score is payment history, making up a whopping 35%. Even one missed payment can drop your score by 100 points or more. Here's the fix. Set up autopay for your bills, or use reminders to pay at least the minimum due before the deadline. 2. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. Your credit utilization, or how much of your credit limit you're using, makes up 30% of your score. If you max out your cards, lenders see you as a risk. The magic number? Keep your utilization below 30%. But if you can, aim for under 10% for the best results. Pro tip: if your balance is too high, make a payment before your statement closing date. This lowers your reported usage and boosts your score instantly. 3. Request a credit limit increase. Here's a quick hack. If your utilization is high, increase your credit limit. For example, if your limit is $1,000 and you spend $500, that's 50% utilization. But if your limit increases to $2,000, your utilization drops to 25% without changing your spending. Just call your credit card company and request a limit increase. Most approve it within minutes. Become an authorized user on someone's credit card. Here's a little-known credit shortcut. Ask a trusted friend or family member with good credit history to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Their positive payment history gets added to your credit report, helping your score climb instantly. But make sure they have a low balance and on-time payments, otherwise it could hurt instead of help. 5. Dispute credit report errors. Did you know that 1 in 5 credit reports contain errors that lower your score? A wrong balance, a late payment that wasn't late, or even someone else's debt on your report. The good news: you can dispute these for free. Go to annualcreditreport.com, check your report, and if you find an error, dispute it with Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Many people see their scores jump 50 to 100 points just by fixing mistakes. 6. Diversify your credit mix. Did you know having a mix of credit types can actually help your score? Your credit mix, credit cards, auto loans, student loans, mortgages, makes up 10% of your score. Lenders like to see responsible borrowing across different types of credit. But here's the deal. Don't open new accounts just for this. Only take on credit if you actually need it. 7. Avoid too many hard inquiries. Every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, lenders run a hard inquiry on your credit report. Too many in a short time can drop your score and make you look desperate for credit. Solution? Space out applications by at least 3 to 6 months. And if you're shopping for a mortgage or auto loan, do it within 14 days so multiple inquiries count as one. All right, let's recap. To boost your credit score fast, pay bills on time. Keep credit utilization under 30%. Ask for a credit limit increase. Become an authorized user. Dispute credit report errors. Diversify your credit mix wisely. Avoid too many hard inquiries. Apply these tips, and you'll see your score climb in no time. Want more money tips? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.